So Chloe, tell me, what's it like to be dipped? Not that I know. I'm going to interview you like this, okay?
Not really, but
Okay, cool. So how are you feeling for Intervarsity?
mostly okay. I still want to go over a few more moves and technical things, but otherwise fun.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 Hey sexy lady 성숙해 보이지만
So, are you feeling awkward?
Not yet. Keep trying.
Can I make you feel awkward? Anyway, so, from Kat,
He's our chairperson.
and that behind is our Intervarsity rep. How are you guys feeling for Intervarsity?
Excited?
You got everything sorted?
Frantic? Kind of, yeah.
So how many sponsors have we got?
Sponsors? We've got ourselves.
Okay, and then where are we going?
We're going to PE.
To do what?
To dance and win, hopefully, yeah.
Is that what we do here?
Yes.
Dance mostly. Winning is optional.
Dance. Win.
Winning is optional, but...
Dancing is a must.
And?
And
Fun
having
is a
fun.
must.
Chris is having fun.
Hi, Chris!
I think what you saw there was nostrils, but that wasn't Chris.
Yeah, definitely Chris nostrils.
And
And more Chris. Hi. Hi, Chris. So, we're doing a 4-part interview. Go on, Chris.
hi.
Matt Nicole.
Hello.
I'm Tim.
I'm again.
Hello.
So what questions are you going to ask us?
I don't think it's going to ask, so I'll do the questions. Yeah, I'll do the questions because the camera's kind of slow on the uptake. So, Nicole, how are you feeling about Intervarsity?
I'm very excited.
I'm pretty excited, but I'm worried that I'm going to be the only one in my section.
I've asked you, but you're not doing Intervarsity, so okay, so do you have any outro words for those going to Intervarsity? Yo, peace. I got nothing. Welcome to Strictly Come Ballroom. It's quite it's quite close to Strictly Come Dancing, but except not professional. Okay, what level are you guys dancing? Where are you from? What's your age? Tell me a little bit about yourselves, your ID number, that kind of stuff. Your bank details. I also am going to need your debit cards. And anyway, how are you guys feeling about Intervarsity?
We're going to win. Yeah, of course. Both categories. And we're going to crush all our opponents into the ground. So they'll probably never dance again. But I'm fine with that.
That's sad. That's sad.
That's just,
People should dance. Dancing is happy and fun and lovely and saucy.
well, you know, to quote a movie to live by, like, you know, if you're not first, you're last. So
Oh
that's
yeah.
our philosophy in dancing.
If you're not first, you're last.
Yeah. You know. Yes.
Can I get a whoop whoop? Can I get another one? Okay, cool. You do it very well. Okay, anyway, this interview will be £5 or a high five or a low five, whatever. Okay, nobody ever chooses the £5, damn it.
How about you owe me £5 for brand covers?
Okay. Cheers, guys. Thanks very much. So, tell me about your shoes. Or don't. Tell me more about Intervarsity. That's a bit more fascinating.
Yeah, we're pretty excited for it. We're
Awesome.
gonna practice hard. And,
So, what's your name? Who are you dancing with? What level?
my
What's your
name is
ID
Tony.
number?
ID number. I don't even know that out. I'm dancing beginners.
You don't even know who you're dancing with. That's pathetic.
Henrika, Snowy for Soki. Yeah, I got it. Yeah,
What are they like?
they have 2 eyes.
Are they nice? Do they move nicely?
I don't know.
Do you just
Don't
watch-
shoot you for Soki.
Do you just watch them?
According to Snowy, how good she is depends on how well I lead. So
Yeah.
we have to see, I guess.
Awesome. Thanks you for your times.
Thanks.
That'll be £5 or a low five.
Yeah, that would be far away from you.
Okay.
I'm so excited. It's
Okay.
like 8 days and I'm dancing with like 4 different partners.
Anyway, thanks you for your time. That'll be £5.
Who's paying all 5 rands? You're paying me.
No, I
Yes.
want your £5. Anyway,
I give you my time, so.
well, my time with the camera. So, thank you. I have another ballroomer here. So, what's your name?
My name is Eleanor.
Louder,
What's
please.
yours?
How you feel about Intervarsity?
Awesome!
Oh yeah, you excited?
Totally. Especially for formation, I think it's great.
Who's your partner for that?
Tim Moller.
He sounds cool. He's got nice bum. Not that
No
you look at
comment.
that. Thank you for your time. That'll be £5, please. Well, low fives are also accepted. Thank you. Okay, I need your name, age, location, who you're sponsoring, who you're not sponsoring. I need your ID number and
I'll give you my
your
name.
test results.
I'll give you my name and my age. I'm Byron and I'm 22. My test results are, well, I managed to get through university.
Whoa! How'd you do that? I want to do that.
Skill.
What level are you dancing?
I'm doing bronze ballroom. And
With who?
silver that dancer right there.
Okay, and how are you feeling about it? How's that make you feel?
A little bit nervous, but I'm excited.
Alright, awesome. Well, thanks for your time, and I hope you look as good as you do always. Thank you. Have a good day. Hello. Hello.
Get the hell away from me. I don't know this man.
What's your name? Yes, you are. What do you do for a living? What's your ID number? Give me $1. How are you feeling for Intervarsity?
Very good.
I'm going to keep talking in a monotone so everybody knows what I'm talking about. But anyway, let's carry on. I like your glasses. So,